I'm Priyansha from Drone Expo team, and I'm here to ask a few questions about your company and the exhibition.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Sir, give a brief about yourself and your company.
I'm the director of Spatem Geoteck Pvt. Ltd. Spatem Geoteck Pvt. Ltd. is basically providing services in different domains of geospatial science and technology. And we also provide drone-based services primarily in mapping, surveillance, and inspection. Other than this, we are also the partner of Idea Forge. So we sell Idea Forge drones. So we are showcasing all these things over here.
Okay, good to know, sir. What products are you showcasing this time at Drone Expo?
We are primarily showcasing our services, what the services we did, and also we are showcasing Idea Forge drones.
Okay, sir. Coming up to the exhibition, did you find the right visitors for your business?
Yeah, definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
I'm glad to know. Okay, are you planning to participate in next edition of Drone Expo?
Yeah, sure. We are trying to join in the next expo, but let us see our availability and the availability of our team.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time, and we hope to see you in next edition of Drone Expo.
Great.
All the best, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.